Let's see what is paper chromatography. So, chromatographic technique that use paper sheet or strip as the absorbents, being the stationary phase through which a solution is made to pass, is called paper chromatography. It is an inexpensive method of separation, dissolve chemical separation by their different migration rate across the sheet of the paper. It is the powerful analytical tool that use very small quantity of material. So let's see the principle of paper chromatography. The principle involved can be partition chromatography or absorption chromatography. Partition chromatography because the substance are partitioned or distributed through the liquid phases. The two phases are water held in pore of the filter paper, and the other phase is mobile phase, which pass through the paper. When the mobile phase move, the separation of the mixture take place. The components in the mixture separate themselves based on the difference in their affinity towards stationary and mobile phase solvent under the capillary action of pore in the paper. Absorption chromatography between solid and liquid phase, where in the solid surface of the paper is separate is stationary phase and the liquid is mobile phase. So let's see the procedure of paper chromatography. First is selecting a suitable type of development. It is decided based on the complexity of the solvent, paper mixture, etc. Using an incidenting type or radical paper chromatography is used as they are easy to perform. Also, it is easy to handle. The chromatograms obtained in faster and the process is less time consuming. Selecting a suitable filter paper. Selection of filter paper is done based on the size of the pores and the sample quality. Prepare the sample. Sample preparation include the resolution of the sample in the suitable solvent used in making the mobile phase. Spot the sample in the paper. Sample should be spotted at the proper position on the paper by using a capillary tube. Chromatogram development. Chromatogram development is spotted by the immersing the paper in the mobile phase due to the capillary action of the paper. The mobile phase move over the sample on the paper. Paper dyeing and component detection. Once the chromatogram is developed, the paper is dried using an air dryer. Also, detecting solution can be spread on the chromatograms developed paper and dried to identify the sample chromatogram spots. So let's see the application of paper chromatography. There are various application of the paper chromatography, but some application you can see here is to study the process of fermentation and the ripening, to check the purity of the pharmaceutical compounds, to inspect the cosmetics, to detect the adulterants, to detect the contaminants in the drinking and the water or food, to examine the reaction mixture in the biochemical laboratories, to determine the dopes and the drug in the human and the animals. So let's see the type of the chromatography. There are five type of paper chromatography. Ascending paper chromatography, the technique goes with its name as the solvent move as an upward direction. Descending paper chromatography, the movement of the flow of the solvent due to gravitational pull and capillary action is downward, hence name is descending chromatography. Then ascending chromatography, paper chromatography. Ascending descending paper chromatography. In this, the paper chromatography move of the solvent occur in two direction after a partial point. Initially, the solvent travel upward on the paper, which is folded over a rod, and after crossing the rod it continue to its travel in the downward direction. Radical or circular paper chromatography. In this, the sample is deep deposit on the center of the circular filter paper. Once the spot is dried, the filter paper is tied horizontally on a petri dish which contains the solvent. Two-dimensional paper chromatography. Substance has which have the same RF value can be resolved with the help of two-dimensional paper chromatography. So hope you will understand this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.